vlog. So my hair's up, I'm not wearing any makeup. Is this any surprise? No, it is not, because I'm always on the camera like this. So today I'm gonna attempt to do a makeup look, which is this one. I think it's just really pretty. I saw this girl on TikTok do it. Her is, yeah, Retro X Doll, and she usually does like similar like 60s 70s looks, makeup, or I think also outfit inspo. I just wanted to attempt to do this look because I think it's very dreamy and it's very like, I don't know, it just has a certain aesthetic to it, and I think it's like it's very pretty and simplistic, so I'm gonna try and attempt to do it. Remember, I am not a professional when it comes to makeup. I just do what works for me, or like things that I've learned along the years, so we're just going to experience this together and hopefully it comes out good. We'll see. The lighting is so bad in here, like, maybe does that look better? Does that look better? Kind of. Okay, I think that's the best we're gonna get. So in the video, she just goes straight on to like an eye look, so I am just gonna do my eyebrows real quick. I've done like a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows already, so I don't really think I need to go in depth with that, but I basically just use a pomade and then a powder just to set everything. So I'm just gonna skip through that, and then we'll go straight to the eye look itself, because that's where I feel like I'm gonna have a little bit more of a difficult time. Okay, so my eyebrows are done. So the first thing she does is her eye look. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my eyelid with concealer and a translucent powder. I'm just going to be putting this on my eyelids. I'm not going to do my face yet because she doesn't do it yet. Yeah, we're going to let this set for like a couple seconds because I've noticed that it makes a difference. So I'm just gonna like speed it up a little bit. Now let it sit for a little bit. We're gonna blend it with a beauty blender. And I'm also gonna blend the concealer that I put around my eyes earlier. And then I still use the same powder, which is, I use the Airspun loose face powder. I have been, it's a pretty good one. I might change it in the future, but I want to finish what I have. And again, this is gonna make like the blending and everything just so much more easier. So the eyes are set. Now she just goes directly in. It looks like she went directly in with like a, what is it called? There's a word for it and I can't think of the word right now. What's the word? It starts with a T. Transitioning. There you go, transitioning shade. I think I'm gonna use this one because it's similar to my skin tone and I just need it for a transitioning shade. I am going to be using a flat round brush, tapping off that excess. I'm gonna look directly into the mirror and just put this a little bit above my crease. And I'm not blending right now, I'm just setting the powder in that crease. That's all I'm doing right now. Like, that's my main focus right now, is just setting that powder in. So the colors that she's using are all like cool tone. So I'm going to attempt to do the same thing. Although I don't have that many cool tone shades like in this palette. So I'm just gonna try my best. And now I'm going to use a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blend out the outer part. And now she's going in with a cool tone like black, which I don't have, so I'm gonna use like this cool tone brown. And she only puts it like at the outer part, so she only puts it like here. And usually, so for my eyes, for example, I like to kind of lift my eyes, so following my lower lash line almost as if I was to do a eyeliner look. I bring the powder out and I make like a cute angle. And for me personally, I just feel like it makes it easier to make like this smoky eye effect right in the outer corner. In my personal opinion, I just think it helps like a lot more, because I just want to concentrate it like on that one specific area. And now I'm gonna blend this with a round brush. She doesn't go super in, like she like stops about mid, so I'm gonna do the same thing and really just focus on the outer part of my eyelid. I'm just gonna go a little bit in with like this super dark brown, and I'm just gonna put it in the same spot that I had the other powder, because I just feel like this is a little bit too warm. Okay, so since this is like a little bit darker than I expected, I'm gonna go back in with this like peachy shade, and I'm just gonna put this on my eyelid like here, kind of make it look a little bit brighter. It's fine. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You know what? Trust the process, Tess. Trust the process. I'm gonna put this very, it's very like, it follows this. So I'm gonna follow my lower lash line. So that part's done. Now I'm gonna grab my angled brush and I'm gonna use that same dark cool color brown that I used before, and I'm just gonna set this eyeliner. I still have to do like the rest of my face, but I have to do like the mascara and stuff. I think I'm just gonna do the rest of my face because I still have to do like the rest of my face. So any excess powder that fell, just gonna put that real quick. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer, put some under my eyes. We're gonna let this sit just for a little bit so it's like it looks better. So what I've been doing lately is I've been putting creams on first and then powder. So for example, I have my concealer on. I'm gonna start blending it out very carefully, like underneath my eye. My cream contour on with a flat brush. I like to use the warm brown specifically on my cheekbones and then the cool brown everywhere else, because shadows are usually like a cool brown. And I like to go above my cheekbone because it lifts my face. And before I blend it out with a beauty blender, I blend it out just a little bit with this brush. Now we're gonna go with the cool tone. I'm gonna contour my nose. And now I'm gonna go in with a cream blush. I know it looks a little red right now, but trust the process. Okay, we're gonna put the powder underneath our eyes. Everywhere we put concealer. Bronzer. I don't know why I did that. I'm so sorry. I feel a little energetic right now. We're gonna put the bronzer exactly where we put the cream contour. I'm gonna be so mad if this comes out ugly. I'm really trying. scared. I can do it. It's just a line. Okay, what if I... I'm scared. How does she do the line? She didn't really. I should do that. I'm gonna actually use my brush and I'm gonna do it with that instead because I don't trust myself. So I'm gonna use the same. I'm so scared. Why are you scared? Okay, you got this. See, it's not even that hard. It's okay, we got concealer, we gonna clean it up. It's fine. Oh my god, is it not even? See, this one, it's always this one. This one comes out perfect. This one always gets up. In the video, she doesn't blend it out, but in the picture, the makeup artist does. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my round brush and I'm just gonna grab like that cool brown and I'm just gonna place it like right on that line. Just blend it just a little bit. And now I'm gonna put on some mascara. How are we looking? What else am I missing? We are gonna do a half lash because I only do half lashes here. We're gonna use our setting spray and melt this all together. I always get so scared it's brightness on my face. Okay, now I'm gonna clean up my stuff and fix my hair and stuff and I'll be back. So this is the finished look. I like the way it came out. I think it's really cute. Different, but cute. I mean, I definitely probably, most likely, am gonna do this look again when I go out because like it's just very dreamy, sultry, like, and it's not even doing too much. Like, I don't know. I think it's cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Let me calm down. I like this makeup look a lot. Yes, there were a few hiccups. You know what? We got here. And I'm pretty content with the way that the makeup look came out. Alright, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. I'll see you guys next week. Please remember that I upload it every Tuesday and Thursday. I'm trying to do more makeup looks, so if you have any ideas, send them or like DM me on my Instagram, which is @_DestinyOrtiz, and I'll try and do them. Alright, bye. See you guys next week.